This is our 56 Ford F100 that we brought down here to showcase for PPG. The truck's painted completely with PPG's Enviro-based waterborne paint. It's a 100% environmentally friendly street rod. From the paint to the motor, all the copper trim work is 95% recycled materials from Revere copper. The motor runs on liquid propane, so it's a Ford Big Block 460 with dual propane carburetors. And what they do for us basically is create zero emissions and gives us a 500 horsepower motor, which is a pretty cool thing. You'll see the front end of the truck has a custom-made copper grille, and all the front teeth on the truck are from a Ford F1, and that was all modified to fit the truck. The side tilt hood was another custom additive that we put on. The suicide doors, swivel bucket seats from a mid-70s Chevy Monte Carlo. Steering wheel and the wheels were built for the truck. Those are copper anodized, and that's the only anodizing on the truck. The rest of it is real copper, from the fuel rail that we built to the copper braided spark plug wires. Everything that we did in the engine bay goes along with the theme of the truck as far as the copper fuel rail, the copper braided spark plug wires, and we again brought the copper paneling that we used on the box and underneath the bed back into the engine bay too, and made a copper fan shroud, solid copper inner wheel wells, and a copper firewall for the truck as well. This is our propane tank here for the liquid propane. That's a 28.5 gallon tank. Gets us about 225 miles. All the copper sheets again are handmade. We made all these in about 60-hour time window. Quick disconnect exhaust system, and what this does for us, this allows us to have our exhaust tips exiting the back of the fender, but when the box closes, it's a quick disconnect exhaust system. These stainless cones that we built here guide the pipes back down into place. The chassis for the truck's a complete air ride system that we built. So it has a rear 4-link suspension setup, and the front's completely air ride too, and that's all remote operated. So with the push of a button, you can raise or lower the truck about 12 inches. This is the air tank and the hydraulic system for the dump box. Again, these are the quick disconnect exhaust system here. This is the custom-made wheels that we were talking about before with the copper anodized centers and the Steve's Restorations logos in the center of them too. Again, you can see how the quick disconnect exhaust system works here. When the dump box closes, these cones guide the pipes back into position, and that's how they seal. And these are also sitting on a spring-loaded hanger system. So basically what that means is that these pipes have tension on them constantly, and as the chassis moves, the pipes move with it, so they always stay sealed inside the bed. Another little design that we made for the truck. The underneath of the dash houses two 12-inch subwoofers. There's 3 DVD screens throughout the truck. In the center console, you'll also see all the switches for the dump box, the air ride system. The swivel seats, again, are from a mid-70s Monte Carlo. And there's a custom-made steering wheel for the truck. If you guys want to know more about the truck, check it out on stevesrestorations.com, and we're also on Facebook, too.